say that actually all the positions are going to be cleared and opposed. So the following people in the Entrepreneurs League have withdrawn from the election. Number one is Magimbi Juanita, who was contesting for the position of Vice Chairperson Kampala. Number two, Musoke Tadeus Magenda was contesting for the also position of Vice Chairperson Kampala. Number three, Mugambeje Bosco also was contesting for position of Vice Chairperson Kampala. These had withdrawn. Then number four, Mr. Kiza Fedor was contesting for the position of Vice Chairperson Western and also withdrawn. Then Akuro David was contesting for position of Vice Chairperson Northern. Then Robert Okodia was also contesting for the position of Vice Chairperson Northern. These two have also withdrawn. Then we have number six, Locodel Simon Peter Kabaka was contesting for the position of Vice Chairperson Karamoja. He has also withdrawn his candidature. And then we have Mr. Wagoli Dominic was contesting for position of Vice Chairperson Eastern. He has withdrawn. So all these positions are now going to be unopposed. And at the appropriate time, we shall tell you which are the candidates who have gone unopposed in the Entrepreneurs League of the NRM. Now, for the position of Secretary for Publicity, two people have withdrawn. That is Subuga Ali and Isaso Abdul. So these are they wanted to contest for the position of Secretary for Publicity and they have withdrawn their candidate. And then for the position of Secretary for Publicity as well, Mr. Malengani Bernard Kasagavu has also withdrawn his candidature. And then we have Najemba Esther Nakiricha, also Secretary for Publicity. Now, Barite Laveri was contesting for the position of Secretary for Finance. He has withdrawn, and Kiza Ruth has also withdrawn. And then Noah Teresa Julius, all these have withdrawn from the position of Secretary for Finance. So the candidates who are remaining unopposed shall be announced later. Remember that for the position of the chairperson of the Entrepreneurs League at the national level, this was already declared and the candidate has already been explained to you. Now for the position of the Youth League, the members of the NRM Youth League at the municipality city division level, these are five, these are the members of the electoral college. Then you have got the chairperson of the NRM Youth League at sub-county level, and this is one. And so these are the people now whose names are being read at the various 151 districts for them to go and vote for the candidates who have read. Now for the position of youth members of parliament, we have the NRM youth members of parliament, flag bearers, and these are five of them. Then you have the members of the executive committee of the NRM Youth League. There are five at the divisional level. Then you have NRM youth councillors on district council, the current sitting youth councillors. They are also members of the electoral college. Then you have members of the executive committee of the NRM Youth League. There are five at the municipal and city division level. And then the NRM youth councillors on municipal and city division council, the current city youth councillors. And then finally, the members of the electoral commission and the chairperson of the NRM Youth League, one at each sub-county. Now, you will recall that the NRM district election officers will discuss who are the presiding officers of this election to take note of the following. I want to make it clear that yesterday, but one we wrote to the chairperson of NRM in all the districts in Uganda to let them know that this election is being conducted by the district election officers who are also called district registrars with the support of their assistants who are appointed by the NRM Electoral Commission. These are the people who are going to conduct this election. However, the chairman of the party as the overall head of the party party in the district as to ensure that all stakeholders, the security people, the RDC, the DPC, the DSO, and the admins, they are hands off but eyes on to supervise this election. But the responsibility of conducting the election is with the district election officers or district registers as they are called.